Alright, let's see. Towels check. Sunnies check. Do we really need to bring the camp chairs though? They take up so much space.
Well, they're more comfortable than sitting on the sand all day, don't you think? Plus, you know how hot the sand can get.
True, but we could always use the big towel instead. It's lighter and less bulky. Besides, the car's not that big.
Okay, fine. But I'm definitely bringing my books. I'm not sitting there with nothing to do while you go swimming.
Books? We are going to the beach, not a library. You always fall asleep after reading a few pages anyway.
I'll actually read this time. What if I get bored? You'll be splashing around and I'll need something to keep me entertained.
Then we have to leave the cooler behind. It's either that or your books.
What? No way. We need the cooler. How else are we supposed to keep the drinks cold? It's going to be hot.
But we can just stop by a cafe on the way if we need anything cold.
No. We are bringing the cooler. I'm not paying for overpriced drinks when we've got perfectly good ones at home.
Alright. Cooler stays. But speaking of drinks, did you pack the water bottles?
Yes, they're in there somewhere. Wait. Don't forget the sunscreen.
I thought you packed it. Fine, I'll grab it, but let's not overpack this time. It's just a couple of hours at the beach, not a week-long holiday.
Alright. We'll leave the beach umbrella behind then. Happy?
Much. But I'm still bringing the footy for when we are on the beach. You can't argue with that.
Fine. Oh, and by the way, should we bring the mini radio? It could be fun to tune into a local station while we are there, but it's a bit old-fashioned.
A radio at the beach? Isn't that a bit retro? Plus, we might not get good reception with all the interference from the sea breeze.
You never know. It could add to the atmosphere. But okay, we'll leave it if you think it's too much.
Yeah, let's keep it simple. We don't need all these extra gadgets.
Oh, and the beach ball. It's inflatable so it won't take up much space.
You want the footy and the beach ball? Are we opening a sports club?
Well, if we are staying for a few hours, we might as well have options.
Alright, fine. But I'm drawing the line at the picnic blanket. We already have towels. What's the point?
It's softer and more comfortable to sit on for longer periods. And you can lay the towels on it so they don't get all sandy.
Okay, picnic blanket it is. But no more. Otherwise we won't fit in the car ourselves.
Deal. Now, are you sure you've got everything, or are we going to have to turn back halfway because someone forgot something?